All right, I try to do my best just to get to a certain place, you know what I mean? Music-wise, sometimes, you know, you grab an instrument, you want to play something different. What are you feeling? What are you feeling? Hopefully you're not feeling that.